those salespeople and business owners and professionals who have chosen to grow in their career and are committed to self development, and they want to grow their cash flow exponentially, and they want to work with the same people they've already put in hours and hours of building trust, and they want to cash on the investment of offering exceptional customer service over and over and over again. Those people I call stewards, and the stewards prioritize their credibility and their reputation more than anything else. So stewards, you can recognize they're public, they have the most reviews, they're well known, and those are the people that you see have businesses based on referrals. And because there are so few of them, you'll see many lawyers, many doctors that don't even put the effort to get referrals, but because they're stewards, they have good intention and they want to build a massive business, their business is based on referrals. Even if your business is based on referrals, learning the technique I'm about to reveal to you will help you multiply these opportunities, will help you 10x these opportunities, will help you scale and grow. So if you're already there, if you already have a business based on referrals, once when you learn the technique on how to get names and numbers and video endorsements from your clients that you use for credibility and for amazing reputation, you can 10x your sales. So it's not limited to new people in sales or new people in business. It's also amazing tool for those that have been dominating for 30 years.